So checking them down the line, we're going to watch the 2 card go up. Going to turn that around to 1, and we'll watch for the card to go sideways, and the revs will go up. And here we go. Gate is down. Here comes a land rush charge to the top of the hill. Looks like Robertson with a good jump off the gate. See if he can hold on to it over the top. And it's going to be Styles Robinson with a My Lucas Oil hole shot. The 17 of Dave Gavin right behind him down the hill. Max Miller 3rd. Preston Kilroy 4th on the Bar X Suzuki. And looks like Dylan Schwartz going to muscle his way into 5th coming out of the horseshoe section. And we got a couple riders tangling up in that switchback section. So Robertson getting away with the My Lucas Oil hole shot. He is out at the front of the pack. He is going to have to try to put some distance between himself and the 74 Schwartz. Those were the winners in their divisions. They ran pretty close lap times. We'll see if Schwartz can make some moves early and battle with Robertson. So Robertson holds the lead. Looks like the Yamaha Dabin still running in 2nd. It is Max Miller running 3rd. Kilroy and Schwartz 4th and 5th. Shane Logan 6th. Cole Bailey is 7th. Casey Carmichael 8th. Tyler Yurnaka is 9th. And Preston Yost going to round out the top 10 first time across. And there is the leader charging up to the top of the hill. Miller on the move at the bottom of the hill. He's trying to set up Dabin on the 17 to take that 2nd spot away. Miller's going to go to the outside, loses a little bit of drive. And Schwartz is closing up on that battle now too. And we got a rider down in the horseshoe turn. Will Robertson almost goes down, coming back to the Jeremy's pad tree turn. He was all over the road. So Styles Robertson almost put himself on the ground there. Max Miller and Dylan Schwartz still working on the 17 of David Dabin. Miller's going to come to the inside. He's going to take Dabin to the top of the berm, but Dabin stays in the gas and doesn't lose the spot. And Miller's got to watch it now. Here comes Schwartz. He's going to try and get both of those riders. Kilroy's coming right along behind him. So Robertson makes the turn up the hill. Dave Dabin, Max Miller, Dylan Schwartz, and Preston Kilroy. There's your top 5 charging. Yeah, right now, Styles Robertson in command of this moto. Schwartz is going to charge the outside. He's gotten around Miller, going after Dobbin. And it is go time for Dylan Schwartz. Makes the move on Max Miller. He's trying to set up Dobbin out of the switchback section. Tries to get under. The Yamaha rider covers the line. And Schwartz is going to pull alongside. Did he get him? Dylan Schwartz might have just made the move on Dave Dobbin. I can't quite see who's got the track position. There's Robertson, and Schwartz does make the move to second. Looked like he got him on the inside as they went out of sight, so he's got himself to second. Now is the time to put in that heater lap. They're going 7. Lap 3 is going to go in the books in just a moment. Now let's see what the gap is between Robertson and Schwartz. He's gone from 4th to 2nd on that lap. And it looks like right now Robertson's got 3.3 seconds separating him from Dylan Schwartz. And Miller's in danger of losing that 3rd spot as here comes Preston Kilroy. So Styles Robertson, Dylan Schwartz, Max Miller, Preston Kilroy, Dave Dobbin, top 5. Cole Bailey, Shane Logan, Matt Sigler, Rene Rodriguez, and Casey Carmichael through the top 10 here. And it looks like Robertson maintaining the gap out front. Schwartz still in second. It doesn't look like Schwartz has closed that much ground on the leader. So Robertson at the end of the Mammoth Freeway into the finish line turn. The Monster Energy Team Green Rider. There is the Bar X Motorsports Chaparral FMF Fly Racing Suzuki. So Schwartz still second. Preston Kilroy continues to work on the Orange Brigade ride of Max Miller for 3rd. There's the 17, Dave Dobbin rounding out the top 5. Robertson dropping off the top of the hill. Matt Sigler chasing the 17, the 127 of Cole Bailey down the hill. Bailey has got 6th. Sigler on the 137th, and he is trying to take that spot away, but Bailey's been hanging tough there. He's got that red plate, King of the West in the Schoolboy too. So Robertson down into the Jeremy's pad tree turn, and he has consistently been laying down quicker laps. A 2:04 that time around. Schwartz was only a 2:06. So Schwartz is losing ground to the Kawasaki rider Robertson. So Styles Robertson moving to the top of the hill. Schwartz is hanging on a second, but he is not holding up with the leader here. Dylan Schwartz not closing ground on Styles Robertson. Kilroy continues to work on the 6:04 Max Miller. There's Dabin all alone in fifth, bottom of the hill. See how the battle for sixth going here. Cole Bailey had it. He's going to give it up to the 130 of Matt Sigler. So Sigler to sixth, Bailey now seventh. Rodriguez eighth. Looks like it's going to be the 6:56 of Shane Logan ninth. And the 52 rounding out the top 10 here, that is Tyler Yanaka. Styles Robertson making the left-hand turn onto the Mammoth Freeway. And this time around, he is going to see the white flag. So that is it. The white flag is out one more time around for the Monster Energy Team Green Ride. As Styles Robertson looking to knock down a big bear here. Dylan Schwartz has been solid all day, but just did not get the start he was looking for. And Robertson able to get away. There's Miller and Kilroy. Dabin still fifth. So Robertson down the bottom of the hill in front of the Tom White Skydeck. There's Dylan Schwartz. Oh, the 56 of Alessio Sasso almost got taken out by Max Miller and Preston Kilroy. Sasso off the pace down the hill. Those two came right up on him. So look for the 325 to make his way out of that right-hand rhythm section. And it looks like there is Robertson right there. And your leader going to make one more trip down the Mammoth Freeway. He's got the red plate in this class, the king of the West. Grab the My Lucas Oil hole shot. He's going to take it all the way to the checkered flag. That's how you want to do it, folks. Styles Robertson, the Monster Energy Team Green Pro Circuit rider with the win. Dylan Schwartz going to hang on to second. Max Miller under pressure will hold third. Preston Kilroy fourth. And we are looking for Dave Dabin on the 17 Yamaha to round out the top five. That is going to do it for Schoolboy 2. We're going to let our winner get himself settled down a little bit, pop that helmet off, get him ready to go down there as we get ready to send it down to the AmeriCorps SMX Victory Podium, right alongside the Lucas Oil Pavilion. Kevin Kelly with our moto winner, and my Lucas Oil hole shot. Kevin, take it away.
Well, it's Styles Robertson. Run through the many sponsorship high fives, handshakes, hellos, good jobs. Hat placement, water placement, Dunlop hat placement. It's a ritual down here. The lunchbox, you get the My Lucas Oil lunchbox because you went to work like a man with his lunch pail. Hold that up nice and high there. The My Lucas Oil Working Man Special here. We just made an award up. You do get the My Lucas Oil Whole Shot Award. That is Cooper's lunch for the day. We're going to need that back. It's got a nice little PB&J for their son. All right, man, put this around your head. Congratulations, Styles Robertson. Start to finish, great moto. I'm going to slide on this side so everybody gets in on that. Great job. Tell me about your race. I know you did well because the start worked out well for you.
Yeah, I got the start, and then I literally rode like crap. I was getting mad. I was making stupid mistakes. I let him catch me, and then after that, I was like, all right, you got to settle down, dude. So I went and just, honestly, just like tried to get in my groove and had fun, and track's gnarly, square edges everywhere, and yeah, it was a good moto, though.
I would say so. So Schwartz got somewhat close, and then you kind of opened it back up, just managing the race at that point.
Yeah, no, he caught me. I was making mistakes left and right, and then I was like, dude, I got to go. He's going to catch me. So I went a little faster, not that fast, but yeah, no, it was a good moto.
So we'll follow back up question we asked you a few years ago. You still married? Everything still working out with all that?
No, she got married and has a kid now. Yeah, Alexa, I think it's Barker now. That was a long time ago. I forgot.
It was, yeah. So things change, man. I think it's worked out good for your career to be a single man.
Yeah.
Hit the sponsors up.
Montreal Kawasaki Team Green Pro Circuit. My mom, my dad, my grandma, my grandpa, the Fur family, my mechanic Chris, Alpine Star, Scott, Arc Levers, Serbies, Dunlop, Throttle Syndicate, and just everybody else. Thanks.
Great work, a great day. Way to finish off strong. The 325 of Styles Robertson gets the biggest bear today, folks. Put your hands together for your winner, Styles Robertson.